Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء فالصالحات قانتات حافظات للغيب بما حفظ الله واللاتي تخافون نشوذهن فاعظوهن واهجروهن في المضاجع واضربوهن فإن أطعنكم فلا تبغوا عليهن سبيلا إن الله كان عليا كبيرا. Translation: So the righteous women are obedient and guard the rights and honor of their husband in secret, that which Allah has ordered them to guard, and those women from whom you fear of evil conduct or disloyalty, advise them and isolate them to their beds apart and strike them finally. But if they obey you, then do not seek ways or excuses against them. Surely Allah is supreme, most high, most great. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained about the righteous women, and the righteous women are those women who are obedient to their husband and they guard the things which are important for the man, and those include all the things. However, most important are the guarding of the wealth of the man and the children of the man and the honor of the man, meaning not be with other men or to have any kind of relationship with other men. So a woman who is guarding everything is a righteous woman. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the woman who is the better woman is the one whose husband, when look at her, she tries to please him, and when he orders something, she tries to obey and she tries to guard the honor and wealth of the man. In another hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever got four things, he got all the goodness of this world and the hereafter. Number one, a thankful heart. Number two, a tongue that is doing the zikr of Allah. Number three, the body that is patient when there is any test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and a wife who is not doing any khayana or any dishonesty in the wealth or in the honor of the man. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave commandments about the women who are disloyal or who have evil conduct, that these women should be told verbally and advise them verbally, and if they do not get corrected, then they should be isolated to their beds and men should not sleep with them. And for a woman who is not of a loose character, this is a big punishment. And even then, if the woman does not correct herself, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly allowed men to strike them, and it is clearly mentioned in a hadith narrated by Hadrat Hassan rahmatullah alayhi that a man hit a woman on her face and she brought her family to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that we will get the punishment to the husband. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah, and after the ayah was sent, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that we intended to do something and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala intended something else, and indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's intention is the higher intention. So Muslims must not make any excuses, any false excuses in the interpretation of this ayah. But other hadiths explain that this is not the best thing to do. As when many women came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and told him that our husbands are hitting us, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that they are not good people among you, meaning that this is permissible, but this is not the best way. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said in the hadith that do not beat them hard and do not beat them on the face and do not break their bones. And in many hadiths, like in the khutbah of Hajjatul Wida, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam explained in detail about the rights of women. Men must understand that they are given this right, but they will be asked about this as well, so they must not misuse the right. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.